Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang magtangon sila parang in translation of English is eliminate, no? Eliminate or neutralize. Magkaisa lang, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed, Congressman Mominal, and kindly wrap up.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Last few questions. Colonel, sinabi niyo po dito sa paragraph 25, page number 5, at this time, I was already morally convinced I had to implement Chief Bato's direct order, which is to eliminate them. In Chief Bato's words, wag tangon sila. Pwede po bang matranslate in English kung ano po yung pagkakaintindi nyo sa sinabi ni Senator, ni then PNP Chief Bato na wag tangon sila? Kasi ako, Bisaya po ako, and
Mr. Chairman, can I interject? What's the meaning of wag tangon sila?
that is what I'm asking Colonel Jovi Espinido, Mr. Chair. Kung ano po yung pagkakaintindi niya. Our chairman, Chairman Ace is also fluent in Bisaya, no? So pwede po elaborate kung ano po yung pagkakaintindi nyo. It doesn't have to be na yun yung order, pero pag sinabing huwag tangon sila, ano po yung pagkakaintindi nyo, Colonel?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang magtangon sila parang in translation of English is eliminate, no? Eliminate or neutralize. Magkaisa lang, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Eliminate and neutralize or wag tangon sila.